XRP has the potential to be the next big thing that unsettles Wall Street. Picture this. The price of a piece of one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies skyrockets to $10,000. It sounds fake, doesn't it? Large financial institutions are starting to take notice of XRP, with firms like BlackRock maintaining a close watch. Maybe this isn't as far-fetched as it looks. In this rapidly evolving financial landscape, XRP stands as a potent instrument for cross-border transactions. When compared to traditional banking systems, its speed, efficiency, and scalability are unparalleled. The price might skyrocket if Wall Street gives it its full support. But is this simply lip service, or is it actually feasible for XRP to reach these absurdly high levels? Keep reading to find out why you should care about the XRP situation and what's really happening behind the scenes. You have to look closer to XRP to see all its facets. Its purpose was to revolutionize the process of sending money across international borders. Storing value is possible with Bitcoin. In contrast, XRP is focused on simplifying and expediting transactions. Ripple Labs' XRP allows financial institutions and payment companies to transmit money internationally rapidly and affordably. Since traditional banks struggle with high fees and sluggish transaction times, this makes it a formidable rival in the financial sector. The recent legal issues surrounding XRP, particularly the one against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, have garnered considerable media attention. For years, this legal battle cast doubt on XRP, preventing certain institutions from completely embracing it. But with its recent court victories and increased transparency, XRP is regaining people's trust. Market prices have risen in reaction, and investors are waiting for the next move with bated breath. More and more, XRP is finding applications outside of the legal sector. Major financial networks and payment providers are considering it for use in settling transactions, managing cash flow, and transferring funds to others. Several nations are investigating blockchain as a potential payment system, and Ripple's technology is being tested in CBDC and other projects using digital currencies issued by central banks. A significant increase in XRP's value is possible if its demand increases. That would put it in the forefront of banking's potential future players. I don't see how this relates to Wall Street. After that, things take a whole new turn. Cryptocurrencies are just the latest example of how Wall Street is constantly seeking out novel methods to amass large sums of money. Bitcoin and Ethereum have primarily attracted large buyers' attention, but XRP is suddenly making a splash. Why? Potentially revolutionary in the trillion-dollar cross-border payment industry, it has real-world applications. Whereas most cryptocurrencies are built on conjecture, XRP serves a practical purpose by facilitating cheaper and faster international transactions for banks and businesses. Wall Street must pay attention to this. Some of the most prestigious names in finance and investment are beginning to investigate XRP. Major financial institutions such as SPI Holdings, Santander, and Bank of America have already joined forces with Ripple. Traditional financial institutions are gradually opening up to XRP, as shown by these partnerships. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, asset management businesses are trying to figure out how to include XRP in their investing portfolios. The recent standard-setting acceptance of Bitcoin FS increases the likelihood that large banks would seek out XRP-based products with comparable functionality. One of the most obvious indicators of increasing institutional interest is BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. There have been whispers that financial firm BlackRock has been investigating XRP. Everything could be altered if this turns out to be true. The involvement of a large investment firm like BlackRock would increase XRP's credibility, marketability, and demand. What would be the maximum price that Wall Street could invest? Now we can get down to the much-discussed $10,000 valuation estimate. We need to determine if this figure is indeed quite high or if it is merely another example of market exaggeration. The possibility that XRP may hit $10,000 is nearly unbelievable. Remember that XRP is now trading at a significantly lower price than that. If that's the case, how and from where does this enormous figure emerge? Much of the discussion is on the potential significance of XRP to the international monetary system and the transfer of trillions of dollars between nations. Full adoption of XRP as a bridge currency by governments, large financial institutions, and other businesses would cause its demand to skyrocket. The price could hit new heights as a result of this. Proponents of this prediction highlight XRP's ability to settle transactions in seconds at a significantly lower cost than conventional techniques. If XRP were to replace or augment its existing WIFT system, which is used for international banking, the amount of daily transactions may reach levels never seen in the crypto world before, according to their claims. One theory is that XRP's value may rise over time if it were integrated into national financial systems. Another is that Ripple is collaborating with central banks to develop new digital currencies. However, not everyone is optimistic that $10,000 will be enough. According to these critics, XRP's market value would have to soar well beyond the current value of the entire cryptocurrency market for it to be worth that much. They also claim that there are more XRP in circulation than Bitcoin, which would slow the rapid increase in price. It is highly probable that the reality lies somewhere in the center. $10,000 may be too much for XRP at the moment, when the broader view is considered. However, its worth could rise far beyond that. It is currently difficult to predict how much money XRP could produce if Wall Street and other worldwide firms completely back it. Real acceptance, clear regulations, and investments from large companies should be prioritized. If you're an investor, what does this imply? The potential dangers and opportunities might be discussed. With all the buzz surrounding XRP, many potential investors aren't sure if they should jump in or tread carefully. As with any investment, XRP offers both potential rewards and potential losses. You should be aware of these before making a decision. XRP stands out among other cryptocurrencies due to its practical application. International trading, liquidity management, and digital currency initiatives by central banks are just a few of the current uses for XRP, in contrast to speculative meme coins or tokens with no apparent business case. More users and integration with more financial systems can cause its value to skyrocket. It may be simpler for additional institutional investors to put money into Ripple now that the SEC case is almost done. Market confidence would increase as a result of this. If Wall Street begins to purchase more XRP, its price has the potential to skyrocket. Nonetheless, you need not ignore the dangers. Even though XRP has won a few legal battles recently, it is still being watched closely by regulators. Future government actions are a source of uncertainty that could impact its growth. While XRP does have many connections, not everyone will use it. The financial sector is notoriously risk-averse, so financial institutions may test out Ripple's technology on an experimental basis before committing to XRP. Another consideration is that XRP's popularity may decline as a result of competing blockchain networks and digital assets developing quicker payment alternatives. Investors should have a level head, limit their exposure to risk, and not put too much stock in predictions based on marketing. Despite XRP's enormous growth potential, no one has yet committed to a clear price objective. Prepare yourself for both short-term and long-term volatility by doing extensive research and spreading out your investments.